Ese güey anda fumando weed. Y el pinche Ferry getting in the way. Squat, squat, move your squatty ass. Yeah, yeah.
Yo, look. Song that I put on, oh shit, what the fuck is wrong? I don't know, this whole world is so fucking scary. I don't know, but I met a bitch named Larry, and now she tryna suck my dick off. I said, hold up, I don't even know if I can afford ya. I have $1 in my bank account. Shit. And that's the system in this fucking world. We living in Gillette shit, fucking all these girls, but they ain't shit, a bunch of hoes. I ain't even got a garden, huh? Look, and y'all don't even know. Smoking weed as I know, and that's the thing that I've been doing. Shit, blowing out some dro. I ain't got no windows. It's just the nature that I love. Okay, well shit, I'm just trying to catch a buzz. 1, 2, 3 into the 4.
Pinche Dion Diaz, you know my last name is Diaz. You know my Diaz, los vivo como si no hubiera un last day. Every day I leave you amazed with the shit I be doing when I'm just spitting time, getting high with that haze. You know my name now, but you ain't know shit about me. I-O-N, I'm the man who's always trying to make it out there, trying to make it big. Fuck it, fuck it. Yo lo voy a hacer en grande, yo rimo mejor. Fuck it, fuck it. Yo lo voy a hacer en grande, yo rimo mejor. Si lo suelto en español, camino por el bosque, aumento mi flow, conecto una conexión, me meto en los bosques, armo yo mi propia revolución mental. Es instrumental, neta que suena bien, 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 muy bien. Mientras yo sueno al 100, al 100, al 100%.
Yo, look.
Ya ando soltando mi pinche flow, sabes que yo hasta en un pinche wood armo mi show. Tú no, bro, tú eres cosa sencilla, delicado como una niña. Yo ya sé de tarimas, también de soltar buenos rap en las esquinas con los bro y con sus primas también. Sabes que eso es nuestro estilo, man, moverle machín. Chin, 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 yo le voy a sacar brillo a este pinche bling.
Yo, look, got a couple words to say. Shit, I don't ever play the way that you want me to play. Just a hustler's way. I don't think about what the fuck I gotta say, cause I know what I'm about to say. Shit, look, and I'm about to split this like a blunt. Roll it up, not give a fuck about what the world's gotta say. But shit, you ever think about what we always separated? Maybe because we always hating on everybody. My skin color, does it bother you? I thought we were brothers, sisters, but shit, nah, look, I guess it just lingers. Everybody talking shit. I walk on my own. I walk on my own. I smoke on my own weed. I drink on my own. I know that I bleed like anybody else in the world, and I ain't trying to put you down. Hey, look, trying to help yourself. Look, hey, fuck the wealth. I'd rather do it for my health. The kids that I don't have yet. Shit, never neglect the world. I'm just trying to do this shit for the next girl that comes along to me. And all I ever do is bust these freeze.
Freeze. Yeah.